Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I have got a super quick post review for you. This one comes from GBFKE, and if you were over at Roxy the Dotty Crafters recent live, you will have seen me working on this. I am so pleased with how it came out. I'm just going to move you out just a touch. There we go, that's a bit better. So yeah, so this was a partial rhinestone canvas in the style of a stained glass window. It was giving me Beauty and the Beast vibes, and that was what I really liked about it. All of the leading, the sort of, you know, where the lead would be in the stained glass window, is actually a 310 AB, which has this beautiful blue iridescence on it, and I really like that. Absolutely no problem at all with any of the drills. The ABs were really good quality. The rhinestones were lovely. I've got plenty of leftovers. I didn't bother actually kitting it up, but you can see here. I can get these out. Come on. Oh, come on. I'm getting myself stuck in the bottom. Come out, wherever you are. There we go. Right. After that unnecessary diversion. Okay, so we can see I've still got a nice lot of those ABs there. Plus I've got 2 different shades of pink, green, lots of these lovely leaf shapes, and the larger pink ones. So that was really, really good. I will pop a link to my original unboxing so you can go and check it out. I've still got a couple of other GBFKE canvases to work on, but as I'd finished this one, I thought it made sense to put out a little post review for it now. I am definitely looking forward to working on the rest of them. The quality has been really good. I haven't sealed this or anything yet, but I'm not sure it's going to need it. It is just going to go into my folder. As always, I love it when you let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are of this. Do you like this kind of style of diamond painting? Are you a fan of partials? Are you a fan of these, what seems to be quite popular at the moment, this stained glass style of art? I really like it. I think this works really well, and it was incredibly satisfying to work on. It was just one evening. You'll see if you go back, do go back and check out Roxy's channel. Give her a like and a subscribe as well. I'll pop a link to her channel down below, and then you'll be able to see me start working on this. It was just something to do of an evening while chatting with friends, and it was absolutely perfect. So as promised, I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Big loves to all of my supporters over on Patreon and the YouTube membership. Remember, you can always support the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing, becoming a member of the Crafty Coven. And until next time, stay crafty!